السلام عليكم. لسه بنكمل كلامنا عن أهم الجمل المستخدمة يوميا. لو عايز تقول لشخص تشرفت بلقائك هقول honored to meet you. honored to meet you. honored to meet you. عايز أقول لشخص تفضل بالجلوس أقول له have a seat please. have a seat please. have a seat please. عايز تقول لشخص لا داعي للشكر don't mention it. don't mention it. don't mention it. عايز تقول لشخص لو سمحت if you please. if you please. if you please. عايز تقول لشخص في خدمتك at your service. at your service.